I always sleep with headphones in because my apartment makes strange noises at night. But last week, my headphones died at 3 a.m., and for the first time in years, I heard the room fall completely silent. That's when I heard breathing. Slow, steady, coming from under my bed. At first, I froze. Then I convinced myself it had to be the wind or the pipes. But when I shifted my weight, the breathing stopped too, like it was trying not to be heard. I slowly lowered my head off the side of the mattress just enough to look underneath. Pitch black, nothing there. I reached for my phone to use the flashlight, but before I could turn it on, something whispered from the darkness. "Don't shine that light." I jerked back and the bed frame groaned, like something heavy was suddenly pushing up against the mattress from below. I ran out of the room and slept on the couch. This morning I found long scratch marks on the underside of my bed, and in the dust beneath it, a clear handprint. It wasn't mine.